She will not stress about things she can't control. She will protect her peace. She will let go of what isn't hers to carry. She will trust that what's meant for her will find her. She will not waste energy on things that don't serve her. She will focus on what she can control, her mindset, her actions, her next move. She will not overthink the past. She will not lose sleep over what-ifs. She will breathe, release, and move forward. She will choose peace over chaos. She will stay in her lane. She will not chase. She will attract. She will take life one step at a time. She will be okay. She will give herself grace on the hard days. She will remember that she's stronger than she thinks. If this hits home, comment, "She is me," or share this with the person on your mind. And don't forget to follow, because this page is for you.